welcome to my channel. And with me, it's my wife, my two kids, our Indian friend Iqbar, and we are now approaching Abu Dhabi. I think we're in Abu Dhabi already, and the speed limit here is 140 kilometers per hour. And so far we're doing good, more than 100 kilometers per hour. Very nice roads. Very delicious cars. Not delicious. Ang tawag doon, Cholo. Very good looking cars. Yummy cars. So, we will go to the mosque. Very religious structure in Abu Dhabi. Joke lang po. Napatawa lang. Welcome to the beauty of Abu Dhabi. We're now in Abu Dhabi. We are 120 to 130 kilometers per hour. Bilog.
What's the circle building?
Yeah, this one Aldar. In the offices.
Offices.
Yeah.
Burgotesco. Ito.
It's hotel na kasi as island.
Abu Dhabi. Oil refineries.
The signboard is Abu Dhabi only.
Abu Dhabi only. Oh no, okay, okay. Abu Dhabi only. Elite ano siya, green. Green, lots of ano.
Pero mababa.
So we're in warning, road is monitored by radar. Galing.
Philippine Airlines.
Wow, Philippine Airlines. Buses. Philippine Airlines.
Manila.
So this is Abu Dhabi. Shangri-La Hotel.
This is the Sheikh Zayed, from first president from UAE.
First president.
Yeah. Take the picture right side, in the Al Sheikh Zayed bridge.
The famous bridge here.
Yeah, very nice. Look at here in the view, right side. Look at the right side.
Yes, nice.
Look in the future. This is the fuel in the petroleum.
Okay.
Nice bridge.
Left side in the mosque, Abu Dhabi Grand Mosque.
Abu Dhabi Grand Mosque.
Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque. This is in Abu Dhabi in the toll gate.
It's the toll gate for Abu Dhabi.
Nawala na yung goma.
So this is Abu Dhabi. Are you awake? Ano sila ilin, no? Green grass.
It's nice, eh?
Nice.
Abu Dhabi, Dubai only building.
Yeah.
This is not good. This is all in the dates. See?
Those are dates?
Yeah.
Ano yung dates?
Yan. Yan.
Yung puno na yan?
Mm.
Those are dates?
Kaya pala sila dates kasi
Marami pala.
daming dito sa atin coconut.
Coconut from India.
Yeah, no, they have coconut in the Philippines. Too many coconuts.
Take the picture here.
Mhm.
Nice, beautiful buildings.
Picture mo nga yun. From afar.
Wow, very big.
And then,
Ito yung pinakamagandang part na
inside in the mosque, only one carpet, no join. Okay, no join, only one carpet only.
Okay.
Oh, Bashir still different side, eh?
Okay. Ganda, oh. Ganda ng mosque.
So, when... Ay, hindi pala siya.
You have a full stuff? No. Oh. You have any
I have.
full?
Wait. Yeah, I can cover the whole of my... Saan ang...
You in the.
We're entering the mosque. Wow. Look at the mosque. Very beautiful.
May Big Boss din? Big Boss Abu Dhabi siguro.
Abaya pa na. Tapos sa...
Hanap kami, bababa kami.
Naka-shorts na yung lalaki. Pwede ba shorts?
Baka kaya sila dito kasi Mr. Pinapapalo.
Papunta pa lang.
You will pick us up again? Oh, it's Bashir.
Yeah.
Sino kaya ang guest nila?
Tayo sa mosque. So, pero kung pupuntahan namin dito.
خب آسین کوچه چیکار می‌کنه؟
We're going down. A mall. Mall siya. Sa mall near the mosque. Meron din palang mall dito.
Sabi ko, mos ang tapat mall pa rin.
Oo, may moso.
Kaya sabi ko,
May moso. Kasi loob. Ito na.
ito pala meeting ko rin.
Okay, ito may mall sa loob. Pila tayo dito sa mosque. Uy, gumanon. Pila tayo dito sa mosque.
No flag. No flag.
Ano, flag?
This t-shirt has flag.
Oo. Sa dami namang flag pa. So, napagalitan si Chino, bawal daw ang flag. So, we're getting inside. Come?
You have ticket?
With them.
Okay.
Okay, let's go inside. Mana? Because your camera. Okay, going out. This is Abu Dhabi Mall dito. Tabi ng mosque.
YouTube channel.
Yeah, YouTube. Big ceiling. Sa Mimoso. Mimoso. Okay. Mimili lang. At least nakita nyo na yung mall.
Do you know? What language is that? Shukriya.
Kain na muna kami sa labas. Puno rito. Queue. Haba. Medyo pa uwi na rin kami kasi galing sa loob. Ito yung mosque. Grandeur of Abu Dhabi. Ganda. Parang sa atin Manila Cathedral. Sa Abu Dhabi, init. Pero di nakakapaso. Ayun siya.